back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 21st, 2026, and it's time to get our pepper seeds planted. I'm a little late getting these started. I am gardening in Pennsylvania on Zone 5B, and I do like to start my pepper seeds early to give them a chance to get up and growing. They say about 12 to 8 weeks before your last frost date. Now this one here, is supposed to start giving in 60 days. But I am probably going to start some of these, even though our planting out date is after Mother's Day, because I want to give the plants a chance to establish. I want to give them a chance, the seeds a chance to germinate, because pepper seeds can be hard to germinate. They need about 70 to 90 degrees for germination for them to germinate the best. And they can take about 10 to 14 days, but I have seen them take longer than that. So, these are the varieties that we are growing this year, and these are the only varieties that we're growing this year. We were planting them before, and we kept winding up with hot peppers and sweet pepper packs and different things, and they were from different companies. So, I don't know if the seeds had gotten mixed up when they had that big mix-up with the pepper seeds, where the hot peppers got mixed up with the sweet peppers. But I got tired of all that, so I went online and just got some fresh, brand new pepper seeds here, and we're going to get these planted. So I am using the soil blocks here, and I don't want them down that deep. I only want them down about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, and I already have these labeled here. I'll have links down in the description for the tags that I use. And for the seed starting mix that I use, I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. And just dropping my seeds on here. Just going to give these a light coating over top. Oops, I'm trying to keep that in the center there. Go. So we're going to get these gently watered then. After I have all these here still to plant. Now you're going to notice these are spaced a lot further apart than what we had them last year. And this is going to prevent them from growing together, because I have room over here where I can move these apart then when they start coming up for us. So we're just going to gently mist these here, so I can get that seed nice and moist. This isn't quite the mist that I'm looking for, but the watering wand that I was using is not working. It either needs cleaned out, or I can't remember if that one needed a new wash, or it needed something done with it. It had started leaking. And all the varieties that I went with this year, the reason why I went with them is because we either grew them before, like I believe you pronounce it Abjerski. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, so don't quote me on that. And the lipstick pepper, we grew those before, and they did very well for us. The other varieties, they are brand new for us. We never grew them before. They either had very high yielding, early maturing, or they were really superior for the north and the northern climates. So we're going to give these a try here and see how they work out for us. So I got this here covered, and I got to put down on my heated floor here. And I left some airspace here because your seeds need oxygen to germinate as they're germinating. And you want to allow the excess heat to escape out. If you're growing peppers, I highly recommend having a germination mat. because it's going to help them come up a lot faster. Peppers can be one of those ones that can be difficult to germinate along with eggplants. So their germination requirements are exactly the same for your peppers and for your eggplants. Now, one thing, if you are looking at pepper seeds, make sure that they are the sweet peppers if you're looking for sweet peppers. There are some hot pepper varieties that have the word sweet in their name, but they are hot peppers. So it is something that I do want to let you know about. So I hope that you found this video helpful. I do have other videos on my channel for growing peppers that you can check out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.